everyone, it's Denbighshire Wildflower Week, and today I'd like to talk to you about the importance of grasses in meadows. Did you know over half of British butterflies need grasses for their caterpillars to feed on? And the seed heads are loved by sparrows and finches. This is meadow foxtail, known for its characteristic bushy flower head that looks a little bit like a fox's tail. This grass species is a larval food plant of the Essex skipper butterfly. This is sweet vernal grass. Brown and skipper butterflies like to lay their eggs on this grass species for their caterpillars to eat. This tall grass species is called cocksfoot due to the shape of the flower head that looks like the spur of a cockerel's foot. 9 butterfly species use cocksfoot for their caterpillars to feed on, including the ringlet, speckled wood, and the rare wall butterfly, which we have in Denbighshire. This grass species often grows in tussocks, which bumblebees like to make their nests in, and harvest mice like to use this grass in particular to weave their spherical nests out of. Relationships like these are why native meadows are so important for our insect populations, which in turn benefits insectivorous species like bats and swifts. Come along to one of our swift or bat walks this week to learn more about these fascinating species.